Welcome to my new video where I will show you how to get Kajabi 30-day free trial. What if you could try Kajabi free for an entire month before paying anything? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. If you want to create and sell online courses, coaching programs, memberships, or digital products, Kajabi is one of the biggest all-in-one platforms available right now. And the best part? You can get access to the Kajabi 30-day free trial and test the platform risk-free. Click the link below to official free trial page to get started. Let's jump in. Kajabi is designed for creators, coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs who want everything in one platform. With Kajabi, you can build a professional website, create online courses, launch coaching programs, send email marketing campaigns, create sales funnels, accept payments, and manage your entire business from one dashboard. Now, to get the Kajabi 30-day free trial, click the link in the video description below to the official free trial page. Once you're there, select your plan and click on the Claim Your 30-day free trial button. Create your account, enter your details, and complete the quick setup process. After signing up, you'll instantly unlock Kajabi's premium tools for 30 days. This gives you enough time to actually build your products, test the features, and see if Kajabi is the right platform for your business. Hi, people like Kajabi. One reason many creators love Kajabi is because it replaces multiple tools. Instead of paying separately for website builders, funnel software, email marketing tools, course platforms, Kajabi combines everything into one system. That makes it easier to manage your business and scale faster. So if you want to try Kajabi free for 30 days, check the link in the description below and get started today. And if you want more videos on online business tools, digital products, and marketing software, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.